everybody, welcome back to Runaway Roses. This weekend we are camping in St. Augustine, Florida.
That's right. North Beach Camp Resort. It's pretty sweet. You gotta come down and check it out. It's a beautiful area.
Yeah.
We're a little late on doing our video. We've been here for about 4 days already, but what the heck, we figured we'd just maybe try to throw something together. And we got a couple more days left, so let's see what we get into. What do you think?
Pretty. Taylor's enjoying looking
Pretty.
at the water.
Taylor, what do you think? Enjoying your stroll, looking at the water? One of the things we're going to try to get into is take Taylor to the beach.
Yeah, she's never really been to the beach. We tried last year, and the beach we went to didn't have a dog beach. Here they have several, so we're going to take her to the beach and see what she thinks.
Yeah. Taylor's been a lot of places. She's seen a lot of things for a dog, but she has never been to the beach, so we're going to try to take her over there. Thankfully, it's a dog-friendly beach, unlike many. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to do that maybe today or tomorrow. Maybe today. It's going to be
today.
Maybe this afternoon. So
yeah,
that'll be fun.
Yeah.
All right, we got our own fishing dock here at North Beach Campground Camp Resort. This is on the inlet waterway side. On the other side of the campground, because once you cross the main road out there, you get right to the beach. So it's easy access to both of them. Here comes a fishing boat right now. Got a little cleaning station right there, so that's cool.
If you ever go fishing, you need to make sure that you put your fishing line in this little thing right here. That way it keeps the birds and everything else from getting tangled up. So just do it.
Like I said, we've been here for a few days already, so we've actually we went down to downtown St. Augustine, walked around. Beautiful little town, lots of shops and stores and right on the water, and a very cool place.
Yeah, it's like right near the fort, and we ate at a really cool restaurant. I don't remember the name of it, but it was delicious.
Yeah.
And walked around, got ice cream, saw the little shops.
A lot of fun.
Yeah.
And yesterday we went to a animal preserve, or I don't know what you call it.
Wild animal reserve, and it's pretty cool. They rescue animals who have been acquired illegally, or people can't take care of them any longer.
Yeah.
And they're a nonprofit.
It was really cool. They had a lot of tigers. They had lions and tigers and bears.
Liger,
oh my!
They have a liger.
They had a liger, wolves, coyotes. They had laughing hyenas.
Bear. They had a black bear.
Yeah, so it was cool. We were not allowed to take any video or photos in there, so
We'll put a little clip of the brochure so you
yeah,
can see it.
it was cool. If you're down this area, definitely worth checking out. It was very cool. I don't see any crabs.
There's some around here. We're hunting for ghost crabs. We're being ghost crab hunters.
Ghost crab.
Ghost crab hunters. We're not ghost hunters, we're ghost crab hunters. Right there.
So here's where we're staying, North Beach Camp Resort. Look what's coming in, an Oliver. Nice camper. Been doing a little bit of work on the front building there this week. Gated entrance. Nice private little campground. North Beach Camp Resort. Right across the street is the beach, super easy to get to. So if you're carrying stuff from the campground, you can just right there. Super nice. So here's our site. We got brush on both sides. It's kind of a private little, it's a pull through, but it's a nice private little spot.
I call it brush. I call it foliage. It's tropical foliage.
Tropical foliage, not brush. Okay.
It's not brush.
Well, whatever you want to call it. Got the awning out. It's been nice. We're right in the sun, so been running the AC full time.
Working good. Our Houghton AC.
The Houghton AC is fantastic. Highly recommend getting one of those. At the back end of our site, 82. We got some friends camping right over there. And Carla's gonna go pick up some food from over there. Been fun. We got 2 more days to get out and do some stuff. Tyler, ready to go to the beach? Not sure. Cheers.
Pretty good. Haven't had a good mojito.
Mojitos.
Delicious.
Alright, we got some 10-inch pizza for a little lunch snack.
Mushroom and pepperoni.
Mushroom, pepperoni, mojito, and a shock top.
We're at Surfside Kitchen.
Alright. This drive-on beach access, 4-wheel drive only, except for we're on 2 wheels. Right now we got 1-wheel drive on a 2-wheeler. That's pretty cool. You can bring your vehicle out here on the beach. I've never done that before. Maybe you have to do that one. We all came out this morning, got up bright and early, come out and see the sunrise. It's getting there. We got about another 7 or 8 minutes, supposedly. It's a beautiful morning. Had to pull Carla out of bed. It's not easy for her. No, she did good. Okay, Tyler's first time at the beach. Sorry for the wind noise, but it's the way it is.
She's getting brave now.
we're just back downtown in St. Augustine, walking around, checking out some more stores,
Shopping.
shopping, spending some money,
I just got a new hat.
supporting the local economy. You know how it is. Pretty cool place.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna keep on going.
Cocktails back here.
They need to have some live music in the shade. That'd be nice. Look at that tree. That tree is awesome. You got stuff growing on it. I know, it looks fake. It's real though.
Do you want some ice cream?
Do I want ice cream? I always want ice cream.
Never asked how to
It's a cool area.
oh, look at that. Foliage.
Here's the square in downtown St. Augustine. Kind of reminds Carla and I of Savannah, Georgia.
Well, it wraps it up for our St. Augustine trip. Just north of Atlanta, almost home.
Yeah, we had a great
Had a
time.
great time with our friends in St. Augustine. It was a little bit short, but we had a good time.
Went by quick.
Went by quick.
Yeah.
So,
Sorry about the scattered little video. We didn't even do much didn't do any recording for the first few days, but we got a little bit in there at the end of our vacation, and it is what it is.
yep, and you guys got to see Taylor go to the beach. So that was kind of cool.
Yeah.
So,
We've been wanting to do that for a long time. Take her to the beach.
yep. Well, that wraps it up, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and we'll see you next time on Runaway Roses.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.